This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Constantino Sotiriou. Welcome home to the perfect split 2-bedroom/2-bathroom end unit villa located in Beacon Woods in Hudson, Florida. You have an open concept floor plan to enjoy the tranquility views, no rear neighbors, from your sliding door in your villa. The eat-in kitchen offers newer appliances and ample storage for your cooking, baking accessories with a rolling island for that extra space when needed. In your spacious dining and living room area, you have great sunlight and views. The home has many updates: newer laminate flooring throughout, kitchen sink and faucet, water heater, HVAC and windows, and more. Your master bedroom has a walk-in closet with an ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. Your second full bathroom is in the hall near bedroom 2. Washer and dryer located in the villa for ease of doing laundry. Your enclosed rear patio has sliding windows to enjoy any time of the year. The villa has an assigned parking spot steps away from your front door and front patio, and exterior storage to the right of the front door. All furniture and items included with the villa. This villa is located close to shopping, restaurants, doctors, right off RT 52, and to the Suncoast/Veterans Expressway with an easy quick commute to Tampa and airports and surrounding areas. Call for a private showing today. For more information,